Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Start by assembling ingredients and containers. Measure 2 cups granulated sugar per 1 cup water for the basic sugar solution, and set aside an extra 1/4 cup sugar to adjust saturation. Choose heat-proof jars or glasses about 12 ounces in volume and 8-inch wooden skewers. Clean jars thoroughly and dry. Wrap the top of each skewer with a clip to suspend it. Add a few drops of food coloring and 1 teaspoon flavor. Extract to the solution later for colored crystals. Heat 1 cup water in a saucepan until it reaches a full simmer, then gradually stir in 2 cups granulated sugar until it dissolves. Continue adding up to 1/4 cup more sugar until no more dissolves at that temperature to create a saturated syrup. Keep the syrup at a gentle boil briefly to ensure clarity, then remove from heat. Let the syrup cool about 20 to 30 minutes until warm but not hot before pouring into jars, skimming off any floating undissolved sugar or foam to prevent seeding. Carefully pour the warm saturated syrup into prepared 12-ounce jars and suspend the 8-inch wooden skewers so they hang freely without touching the jar sides. Secure the skewer tops with clips or clothespins. Cover each jar with a breathable cloth or paper towel to exclude dust while allowing evaporation. Place jars somewhere undisturbed at room temperature. Expect visible crystals in 3 to 4 days, with full rock candy growth by 7 to 10 days. When ready, dry crystals briefly on wax paper and store.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.